Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable all active sessions in X. If you suspect any unauthorized access to your account, or simply want to log out of all devices, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device, and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings section of your X account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, look for Security and Account Service and tap on it. This section allows you to manage your account's security settings. Step 5. Within the Security and Account Service menu, find and tap on Apps and Sessions. This option lets you control the active sessions associated with your X account. Step 6. To proceed, you'll need to verify your identity. Type in your account password when prompted and tap Confirm or Enter. Step 7. Finally, in the Apps and Sessions section, locate and tap on Sessions. This will display a list of all the active sessions currently logged into your X account. Step 8. To log out of all sessions, look for the Logout of All Sessions option and tap on it. A confirmation message may appear asking you to confirm your action. If you're certain, proceed by tapping Yes or Confirm, and that's it. You have successfully disabled all active sessions in X. This ensures your account's security and prevents unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to disable all active sessions in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.